Let's see, what did we buy? Even though we already know because... Oh wait, this is an Ulta one. Okay. But if I get a repeat of these pumpkins, which is what is on the picture, and somebody said something about the holiday ones have the picture on them of what it actually is, so I guess we finna find out today. But if I open up this one, I'm gonna do another video because I want to make it bloody, but not today. I wonder, listen guys, I bought a new microphone, charged it, super excited, went to plug it into my phone, and guess what doesn't work? Operator error. This doesn't fit into my phone. Apparently I didn't read it right. So annoying.
Oh, this company, man, they just fail so hard.
It's double? What? Oh.
Wanna see you double it? Just a little bit.
You really have lost your appeal. Appeal? That's why I'm my own best friend. Are you ready? Okay, let's see. Oh, we got the house. Look at this adorableness. What? This is incredible. Oh my gosh. And we got the freaking little house. Oh my gosh. I have to put the house together. I don't remember that part. No way in the world. The pieces just keep falling. Okay. Oh my. I'm a carpenter now. Okay. Call me Jay. So here we go. Ooh wee. Teeny tiny ghost. Can you be a teeny tiny ghost? Oh my gosh. Okay. We'll see how this goes. Something else. What is this? Oh my goodness. Little bones? What? And little bats? Shut your face. Wow, and a little spider. Okay, that's a lot of things. That is a lot of things. Wowzers. This reminds me of that 100 bottles of beer on the wall, 100. I'll take forever to get to the bottom of that. Why are we singing this song? Oh, boysers. Okay, well, we got some good old... Is this a resin thing? That's okay. Bye. I'm gonna come in closer. Coming in closer in just a minute, okay? I just wanted to open them. Oh my gosh, the God forbidden thing. Oh, but you know what I noticed? Let me show you. The ghost. Look, I put it in the attic. Ghost. Yeah. It glows in the dark. Yeah. I mean, maybe I'm late, but you know what? I gotta sit this in one of my plants by the window. What? I have been sleeping on my own decor. Tell me if you can see where I put it. I put it somewhere behind me. Our little boxes. Look, I saved the other box from our little, from these. Even though I like this mug better than those, but that's just not the point right now. What am I gonna do with these boxes, guys? What do you do with your boxes? If you throw them away, it's boring. Tell me what you do, because they're so cute. I mean, maybe if you don't throw them away, you're crazy. IDK is why I'm asking. So, yeah. Are you ready to come in close? Come a little closer, baby. I got you. I love it. Okay, I think we should turn the light on still.
What?
Oh, you gotta act like this every day of your life. Okay, tiny ghost. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ghostly for sure. You know they go undetected. Wow. Oh, okay. Focus. Oh, okay. Oh, that's what I like. That's what I like on my terrazzo floor.
Blaze of glory. Okay. I'm procrastinating on this house, as you may notice. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I think it clicks together, or what? Oh my gosh, I have no idea. Okay. You see that? They're slanted already.
Shabamel, okay.
Thank you. And then this... more roof. Wait, what? Was I wrong? Oh boy. I just don't know. Why are there so many pieces? What in the heck? Who in the whole heck thought of this? Oh, maybe it goes like this.
Oh. Okay, clickety doo dah.
Okay, let's do it again. The same. Okay. Come on, we want to get to the fun stuff, but that's pretty cool. Okay. I could learn to love you. Indeed, I could. Oh, boysers.
It sounds cool. X-dokes, let's see.
Yes! Oh, my box. Boxity doo dah. Oh, no. Hey. Let's act right, buddy. You see where you go? Oh. Okay. What? Yes! That is so cute. Okay, let's get to it. I don't know what this is for, but it seems like it fits right here some type of way. Does it matter? Are they exact same? Exact?
How could you be exact? Exactly. Okay. Looks like you go.
Or do you go that way? Oh, for the love of cheese. I bet you do. Oh.
Oh! My freaking gosh.
Say it ain't so. Now, see, it's not gonna be fun twice, dude. See, you really take the joy out of it, dude. Okay, here we go. There we go. There we go. Thank you for your cooperation, though. Here we go. Uh-oh. Got a cat here. Oh my gosh, man. Dude. Oh, boysers.
Okay, the day is not for Jesus. We discovered that today, because I am not a carpenter.
I'm another her. Okay.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and ease you on in there.
I guess this is the, what do you call that overhead thing in the house?
Is this a, you know, the question you gotta ask? Jeez, OP! The question you gotta ask before you, cut a wall down? Is this a, I forget the words. What am I doing? A load-bearing wall, that's what it is. So this is a load bearer, maybe. I don't know, Jack. It doesn't matter, though. Oh, that's why there's so many roofs, because it's a multi-layered house. Keep up. Gosh. Hey, man. Listen, dude, let me just see something here. Do you even go in here, dude? Get in there, then. Just act like we got some sense.
Trying to figure it out.
Okay, yeah, dang.
Jeez, oh freaking Pete almighty.
Thank you.
Let's get you in place.
Thank you. Here we go. No, not today, okay? Ay. What am I gonna do if this breaks again?
Oh my gosh, you're dude. You wanna see this game in action? This is how we're doing this. I ain't playing with these folks. I don't even know how this house is supposed to look. Let's just take a gander. Where are we at? Where's our little book? Did we not get a book with this one? There's no way.
All these little spiders and bones. Are they supposed to just, oh, sit in the spider webs and stuff? Okay.
Well, this is gonna be a messy house because we can't get it together no other way.
Okay, now I'm gonna attempt this roof, but I swear. Oh, man. Oh, it's black. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, there. Let's take you so we can spread it on down. So right there.
Just a little bit.
Glowing.
It's already on my nerves.
Okay.
See how you go. Together, my... Look, man. This is so corny. There's no way it's supposed to be looking like this hard. What in the tabernacle of great saints is going on? It's not right, Jay. Here we go. Get it together, baby. Literally. Oh, yeah. Just a little bit.
Oh, pfft. I said just a little bit. Goodness gracious. Everybody's okay.
Tell you what, I don't have a lot of faith in this.
Just like, okay. Oh, boy. Okay. So far, so groovy. So I guess you've got to probably resin it together and then, like, put it up here. They're all the same size except for these. And this one. That's what I like right there. That's what I like.
Okay. Can I play with my toys, guys? Oh, the little one would clearly go right here. Okay, I get it.
Run it.
Now what do we do? I guess we take our ghosts. Where do I want this? Oh, you guys, we gotta put some glitter on here. We gotta make this glow in the dark. Why not? Okay. We got our Mod Podge. Just a little baby layer.
Let's do it on the ghost. Oh, that's right here. So we might designate it. Okay. 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 So over here.
We have white mica powder.
Okay, let's mix it all up. I have a way better idea. Put all these things. Let's put this up.
If you were wondering, these are what I use. Yeah. Okay.
How the heck are we going to decorate our house? Oopsie. They all fell all over the place to be expected. Okay.
Run it.
Okay, so now, really, you know what? The ghost up in the window. Did you guys ever live with a ghost in the house? Or you don't believe in them?
Decide what we believe in. And then we're like, yeah, that doesn't apply to me. I don't believe in that. Like, drop it like it's, oh, boysers. Okay, you want to be in that window? That's your room, Lambo. Lay it down, lay it down, lay it down, lay it down, lay it.
I'm fucking failing right now. I'm failing, but that's okay. Oh my gosh.
You are catching felonies on my vibe right now.
Get on down, get. Oh, I can see the ghost is already glowing. Ghost off. Oh boy, I hope I didn't put too much glow powder though.
I'm like, hurry up, get on down, get. Up in the corner.
Yeah, that's pretty predictable.
That's too easy. I could do a little better. BRB. Right here. Okay, let's give us a little bit more resin.
It's just that you never know how much you're gonna get with these folks. So I'm like, is it a big fat budget? A little budget? What are we working with?
I guess we'll put a... I don't think that's very cute. I don't know, man. I am not in love with this, I'll tell you that. What the heck? You guys, look at this idea I just had. I don't know if it's gonna work, okay? We're about to find out together. I'm putting this resin in a little bit of like a dome shape, okay? And then I think I'm gonna take these freaking bats.
Oh yeah.
What? Oh my freaking gosh. Do we love it? Okay.
I don't know if I love it, but it's okay. You guys, I am so excited to show you this. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, first of all, I did go in and get some of my very own resin to add to this party. Yep, that's the resin that I used.
Look at this. Oh my freaking yesness. Matter of fact, let's put it up here so we can have a clear visual. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this. And you guys, I'm gonna show you tonight. It's gonna glow in the dark. Where in my dollhouse should I put this? I mean, I'm about to show you in 5-4, but look. 3, 2, and wow. You guys, it's not even dark out yet. It is already glowing in the not dark. What? Look at all the spiders going up the wall like it's an invasion. 'Cause it's spooky. Oh my gosh, you guys. This might be my favorite one that I've done because I really, first of all, it didn't come with directions, so that's a knee slapper for you. But I am in love with this bone pile. They should give you clear resin too in case you want to do your own thing, you know? And look at the two little ghosts right by the RIP. I did not know that bat situation was going to come out so good. I love this. They really should give you clear with it. I love my spider invasion. Yes. Thank you for being a friend. Okay, and then we also have, oh my gosh. These are the 3 we've gotten so far. Which one is your fave? I'm so glad I added that glow-in-the-dark powder. You guys, what would you even do with this in your life? I mean, can you even handle this? It is so cute. I'm thinking that I should turn it into a bag charm so I can use it in Halloween. It is so cute. It would be so cute hanging off of my water bottle, honestly. What would you do with this? It is so cute.